Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today we are preparing a cinnamon swirl cake. This is a soft, delicious, light and wonderful cake which is infused with the warm flavor of cinnamon. The recipe is really simple and easy, so let's get started. The ingredients to prepare the glaze. The ingredients for the cinnamon swirl. And lastly, the ingredients for the cinnamon cake. Note, ingredients measured using measuring spoons are leveled and not heaped. Preparation. Grease and line a 2-pound or a 900 grams loaf tin. Preheat the oven to the temperature shown. The method to prepare the glaze. Add the liqueur little by little to the icing sugar. Mix well to get the dropping consistency. Method to prepare the cinnamon swirl. Mix the sugar and the cinnamon powder together. Set aside. Method to prepare the cinnamon cake. Add in the eggs and whisk. Add in the oil and whisk. Add in the sugar and whisk. Add in the vanilla extract, whisk to combine. Sift in the self-raising flour, salt, cinnamon powder and baking powder. Mix to combine. Spoon in half the batter into the prepared loaf tin. Keep the remaining half aside. Sprinkle the cinnamon swirl mixture over it. Spoon the remaining batter over it very carefully without disturbing the lower layers. Bake at the temperature shown for 50 minutes or until an inserted skewer comes out clean. When done, remove from the oven and set aside to cool. Loosen the sides and place on a wire rack to cool completely. Decorating. Spread the glaze over the cake, allowing it to drip down the sides. Dust some cinnamon powder over the glaze and use your creativity to decorate. Enjoy! If you liked this simple and easy recipe, be sure to like, share and subscribe to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy.